Hey, what's up, guys? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Today video we are going to talk about the XRP Ripple coin. What's going on in the XRP? What's the price changes? Is the price pump? Is the price dump? And you know what? In this video we are also going to discuss the future of XRP Ripple coin. A lot of people ask me about questions about XRP, that when will the price increase, when will the price rise. So finally, friends, in this video we are going to share our price prediction, share our latest update of XRP. So keep watch this video complete. And friends, if you are new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe our channel for more cryptocurrencies news and updates videos. First of all, my friends, the latest price of the XRP is 0.582851 USD dollar. That is the currently latest in live price of XRP at this time in the market. And my friends, furthermore, if we talk about the price change, so the situation is going wrong from the previous last 1 month. And now in the July month, in this month, the price of XRP is very badly dumps. My friends, I know that price is very badly dumps, but that's not mean then you decide to sell. You know what? A lot of people do a biggest mistake in this month. They sell his coin. So if you sell, so that's mean that you lose your money. But other side, if you decide to hold, so I think that's really a good decision for all of you, my friends. And you know what, now at this time, the latest last 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, the whole change is open and the XRP is negative. So I think there's a they have idea to the price falls down for the next 2 3 days, and after 2 3 days falls, and there is a possibility that the price rise up and they give you profit, my friends. So now we can't say about the future that when will the price rise up, but my friends, after 2 3 days there is a possibility that the price rise up. But I recommend for all of you that it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what you think about XRP future? Is there is a possibilities that the price will pump in the future or not? Just tell me in the comment box, and make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.